Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to follow a shop on Etsy. Let's open Etsy on my phone, and now I need to open whatever listing and I need to scroll down until I see details of the seller's page. So here I can see its star rating, its rating basically, name of the store, and you can see here some options such as view shop, message seller, and we need to tap follow shop button. And now basically I have added this shop to my favorites. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.